In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync Clio with your Google or Outlook calendar. Syncing your calendars can streamline your daily workflow, ensuring that you never miss an appointment or deadline again. Let's dive into the process and get your calendars working together seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to the Settings menu. You can find this on the left side of your Clio dashboard. Within Settings, look for the option labeled Contact and Calendar Sync. This is where you'll manage the synchronization between Clio and your calendar of choice, whether it's Google or Outlook. Once you're in the Contact and Calendar Sync section, you'll see a Configure button next to both Google and Office 365. Click on Configure next to the calendar service you want to connect. This step is crucial as it opens up the connection between your Clio account and your chosen calendar service. After clicking Configure, you'll need to sign into your calendar account. Use your regular login details for either Google or Office 365. It's important to ensure that you're logging into the correct account to avoid any confusion later on. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to grant Clio permission to access your calendar. This step allows Clio to sync events and appointments from your calendar to your Clio account and vice versa. It's a simple but essential part of the process, so go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. Now, let's talk about sync direction. Clio offers a handy two-way sync feature, which I highly recommend selecting. This option allows any changes made in Clio or your calendar to automatically update in both places. For example, if you add a new meeting in Clio, it will appear in your calendar, and vice versa. This keeps everything consistent and up to date, saving you from manually entering information twice. Finally, once you've selected your desired sync direction, don't forget to click Save. This confirms your settings and activates the sync between Clio and your calendar. You should now see your events starting to populate in both places, ensuring you're always in the loop. And there you have it. You've successfully synced Clio with your Google or Outlook calendar. This integration helps you maintain an organized schedule, making it easier to manage your time and tasks efficiently. If you encounter any issues along the way, double-check your login credentials and permissions, as these are common areas where hiccups might occur. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope syncing Clio with your calendar enhances your productivity and keeps you on track. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your workflow. Happy scheduling!